Hello and welcome to this non-verbal reasoning question. In this particular question we have to find the matching pair for this particular shape. We've been given an example of a matching pair, and based on the relationship that these two shapes have with one another, we have to find out what the matching pair is for this particular shape out of these 5 options, A, B, C, D or E. Now if you look at this one is, I must admit, a very interesting and difficult slightly question, but if you just sort of take one step back and just look at it and say to yourself, okay, let's just try and figure out what's going on. Are these shapes moving in any way in a certain direction? And if that's the case, could that be it, or is something else happening with these shapes? One thing that stood out to me, and really this is just, you get to know about possible answers to these questions the more you do them. But one thing that struck out to me is that you've got a diagonal line of dotted boxes here, and obviously this shape is being rotated in a clockwise direction 90 degrees, and these dotted boxes now turn into lined boxes. So it just seems like these boxes are changing, these dotted ones are turning into lined boxes, and these lined boxes are turning into black boxes, and the black boxes are turning into dotted boxes. So you have to remember all these things, what the changes are. The dotted ones are turning into lined ones, the lined ones are turning into black ones, and the black box is turning into a dotted box. Let's now try and apply this. First of all, we need to turn this 90 degrees in a clockwise direction, and we can see that A, B and E make up or change into that particular shape if we turned it 90 degrees to the right hand side, so we can ignore C and D. Now let's look at these dotted boxes. There's 3 of them, they should turn into lined boxes as we've got here. So there's one there, and one there. We have to remember where they are. If you just take one particular shape, okay, I'm looking at this particular shape here, or the one right at the top, so that one should turn into a lined one. That one does, that one does, that one does. Okay, let's look at the one below it and the one at the end. Yes, that one is, that one is, that one is, but that one isn't. That's dotted, so we can discount B, and that one has both got lines as well. Okay, great. Let's now look at the black box, which should turn into, according to this, a dotted box. So the black boxes should turn into dotted boxes, and we can see there's one there, one there, one there, dotted, correct, but there's no dotted there, so it's not A. There should be one there, there should be a dotted box there, a dotted box there, and a dotted box there. It has 2 out of the 3. We've already discounted that one, I believe, because that one didn't have it at the end, the line box at the end. So we're looking at E. Dotted, dotted, dotted. The answer is E. I hope you understood this question, got the answer correct. It is a difficult one. You have to really use the process of elimination to discount each and every colour in each shape, but once you do, eventually you do get it right. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please watch the others as well, they're equally interesting. Thank you, bye bye.